This is the AP Literature and Composition Facebook group for teachers. Now, I'm already a member of this group. I've been a member for almost a year now, but I just want to show you some of the great things that are happening within here. As you can see, the members are, just over 3,000, which is quite a significant number. Within the page, you'll oftentimes see, surveys that teachers, like this particular one, is trying to decide between, two books, right? In the past, I've seen surveys that are asking about what different districts do or how much time teachers spend grading outside of school. Teachers will, post questions, post resources, and 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago, it's perpetual commentary, feedback, resources. If I am grading an AP essay and I run into an issue, I can post the essay into the group and ask, hey, what is your opinion about this? As you can see, look, we got a little bit lucky. Someone's typing right now. So an hour ago, this person was commenting. It was posting, has 5 comments already, and this will continue because these teachers are from all over the world. So there are a lot of benefits to using this group or groups such as this one because you have perpetual collaboration. You don't have to give up your weekend or drive some hours to get PD when any questions or new resources will be put into this one place where, if you're a busy mom or, while at work, you can just whip out your phone, go to the group, scroll through and see what's happening. So Facebook groups definitely have some benefits, even if it's to make yourself feel better after a bad day. This alone sometimes can be worth it. But the collaboration within the groups are incredibly beneficial.